In this episode, we're visiting the romantic beachfront apartment in Malibu in the United States. Welcome back to the Holiday Shelter Channel. It doesn't get much closer to the surf than this. It's in the residential part of Malibu, about an hour from downtown Los Angeles, and a 10-minute drive from the Malibu Pier. The distance is worth it for these views. The airy, well-designed home has just one bedroom, making it perfect for a couple's retreat or anniversary weekend. But space is of no concern. The open-floor living space, large wooden deck, and well-appointed kitchen mean you never have to leave. Guests say they've seen pods of dolphins and seals from the beach house's deck. Imagine the sunsets in this place. Thanks for the visit. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. Stay tuned.